Hi there. I really just want to thank you so much to each and every one of you who joined our Restorative Yoga Immersion here on my channel and Tina's channel. It's been absolutely so beautiful to see all of your comments and learn about all of the intentions, the most beautiful intentions that people are bringing into the world for themselves, their own self-healing, and for the healing of all beings, really, through this beautiful process of self-study and self-inquiry and self-love and just taking care and nurturing oneself so that we can really bring our best version forward to the world for all of humanity and for the planet. So it's been so beautiful, and there have been just so many points where I've been like, is this real life? I just love how wonderful the community of people that practice here on YouTube are, and I just can't thank you guys enough for showing up and for practicing with us, and it's been so wonderful. I want to take this opportunity to invite you, if you are interested in diving deeper into restorative yoga, if you're a yoga teacher who wants to learn to guide restorative yoga, or we have lots of other professionals that come through the restorative yoga training as well, people who work in the care of other beings and other humans, really. So we've had social workers and massage therapists and meditation teachers and people who work in long-term care, and even people who work with postnatal and caring for mothers with newborns, these type of things. So if you're interested in joining our next training, we have one coming up at the end of this month, just before the new moon begins. We are going to start the training, and it's very exciting. We have a wonderful group of people coming together from all over the world. Our last training had people from all over Europe and the UK, Australia, New Zealand, all over North America, and it was just so beautiful to connect in this way of slowing down and going into deep rest and relaxation, learning all of the tools together in a community to facilitate these nurturing moments and safe space where people can really have full permission to do less. What I love about restorative yoga is that there is nothing else that people need to do other than just show up and be guided into these states of meditation and relaxation, and in many cases bliss, and into these deep states of rest that are so restorative and healing on so many different levels, cellular, physical body, all of the things. So I am so excited about this training. Tina is so excited about this training. It's one of the best things that we've ever created so far in our almost a decade of guiding teacher trainings together. And I really hope that if you're interested, that you send in an application. I'm going to share some testimonial videos at the end of this that you might check out and learn from other people what their experience of this training were. And I'll share also a link to the page that you can check it out and learn how to apply. And if you have any questions at all, please just reach out to Tina or myself, and we'd love to talk to you more about it. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being a part of our immersion. Thank you so much for being part of the community on this channel. I feel so blessed each and every day when I read through all of the comments on this channel of incredibly supportive and compassionate, beautiful humans who are sharing from their hearts with me on a daily basis. So thank you so much for your super kind words, your reflections, for sharing your journey with me. I feel so honored, and I can't wait to continue this journey with you. Namaste.